Back at the body shop.
I got 3 bolts off each side. I'm going to take these tail lights out.
We're having to redo our bumper. Just didn't fit just exactly right on a big Cadillac. See right here, you can see the gap. So we're going to pull that thing back off and get it adjusted just right. Looking pretty good. We still got the Bronco over here. We're waiting on daggum motor for. It takes forever, man. But anyway, we're going to get back on this as soon as we can. We got the midget packed back here in the back with all the Bronco stuff piled on top of it. See, there's our parts car we went and got. The Cadillac really looking good. We almost got it. We're waiting for the headliner to come back. We got it tore all pieces on that part. That's a big job taking that out. I don't know if y'all ever took out a headliner of a Cadillac, but anyway, thank goodness Johnny done it. And we got a new project we got to get on. My niece is wanting to take the big Corvette to the prom. She's got a prom coming up in April, so we got to get it out, tune back up, make sure everything's going all right with it. It's a 82 Corvette with a tune port fuel injection. Pull the hood on that and see. Let me show that tune port on that. Anyway, these things got such a long front end. You can see where they pulled it up too far against the curb and chipped the paint off of it. So we got to fix a little bit of that, get her tuned up. I want to show you the crossfire. Everybody hates crossfire. I've never had any trouble out of it though. I've had this car for a long time. Get it? It's the one that says Hood, H-O-O-D. There it goes. There it is. That's a crossfire fuel injection. It might not be no good, but I get about 35 miles a gallon on this, but it looks really cool, don't it? And it's actually a functioning hood. There's the intake, and here's where the air comes in at. That's the crossfire fuel injection. I think this thing's got, what, 180 horses, I think? Maybe less than that, I don't know. Those that know. But I cannot help it. I look 16 when I'm driving it. I feel 80 getting in and out of it. But anyway, we're going to get this in here next and get it cleaned up and going. And then we got the big wagon. I got to do a MC work down at, we'll be MCing the Emerald Coast Cruise In this year. Looking forward to that. That's in Panama City Beach, Florida. One of the biggest car shows in the Southeast. And they call me to MC the show. So I'm going to be down there MCing the show. So we thought we'd paint the wagon. Got to haul all our stuff down in there. We bought this thing. I think we give $200 for it. And Mike rebuilt the whole inside. He redone all the, put a new floor in it and the sides. And it don't leak or. It's an oldie but a goodie. Oldie but a goodie. So that's that. Even got the little round lights on it. So anyway, Mike, you ready to get back? Is the cigarette lit or not lit?
No, it's not lit.
It's not lit. Okay, it's not lit. He just walks around with a cigarette in his mouth all day long.
Now.
Yeah, there you go. But that's kind of where we're at. I'm just trying to keep people updated where y'all know we're still at it and what we're doing. We've got some video put together on the Cadillac. As soon as we get it out, I'll put it all together. We'll get it going on that, and then maybe start a video on the Corvette. And then hopefully we'll have the motor back on the Bronco. This thing's got a GT Mustang V8 in it, but we pulled it out because it had a bloated head gasket, if y'all watched that video or not. And got the motor over to a buddy of mine's, and he's working on it. But old Clyde's building the motor. He ain't getting no rush. So, and this actually belongs to the guy we rent the shop from. Pretty neat old truck. No smoking, it says.
Yeah. That means in the truck.
Oh, so no smoking. All right, there's an update on what's going on today. Just kind of keeping everybody going with this because I kind of get behind on stuff. But boy, that Cadillac really turned out nice. So anyway, if you don't care, subscribe, check out the next video, and we'll be back here in a day or two.